have little inventory to view, and those first-time home buyers have even less. It's Friday, April 21st, 2023. Happy Earth Day weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. While more than a third of the homes for sale are over $1 million, only 10 homes for sale are in the first-time home buyer range, and competition remains high for those. There are 98 homes for sale in the 3 active zip codes of Annapolis, with a median sales price of $797,000. 21401 has 36 for sale, with 12 going to contract over the past week. 21403 has 46 for sale as 5 went to contract, and 21409 has 16 for sale while 5 went to contract since last week. 23 homes are coming soon, down from last week. 12 new listings hit the market since my last report, triple last week. 8 went under contract, half of last week. 14 moved to pending, a rise from the past week's report. 23 sold, dropping to 5 median days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home sold in the past week was in the historic district for $1,510,000. Rental inventory fell to only 14 homes for lease at $2,900 per month and going under lease in 28 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 21st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend and celebrate our planet by taking action to make a difference daily. Cheers.